Neigrihms has rescheduled the online computer-based nursing officers recruitment exam for candidates of Meghalaya who are unable to reach and appear for the exams on December 2nd at Guwahati owing to the prevailing situation. BJP MLA A.L. Hek said that he had taken up the matter with Assam Chief Minister and even Neigrihms Director, after which the notification was issued today. However, the examination shall proceed as per schedule.
After we got the problem that grievances facing by the student, so we took up immediately and spoke to the Honorable CM of Assam, and we told that the center is going to be held at Guwahati, which is very difficult for our student coming from Shillong because of the prevailing situations. So definitely after we have appealed to the Honorable of CM, Shri Himanta Biswaji, he immediately took a decision and told the DC of Kamrup immediately to stop all the exam of Neigrihms to be held at Guwahati for the student of Meghalaya.